Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an Instagram account business to personal. For this, open Instagram. Go to the profile icon. Click on the 3 horizontal lines. Then click on Settings. Scroll down. Click on Preferences. Click on Account Switch Type. Then click on Switch to Personal Account. Again, click on Switch to Personal Account. Now you can see your account is now personal. To make this account a professional one, click on Edit Profile. Click on Switch to Professional Account. Then click Continue 4 times. Choose your services. Click on Done. Here, select whether you're a creator or business. If you want to share your personal information on your account, otherwise click on Don't use my contact info. If you want to connect your Instagram account to Facebook, then click on Login to Facebook. You can keep it and then close this window. Now you can see your personal account has been turned into a professional account. That's how to make an Instagram account business to personal and personal to business. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.